Okay, guys, just a quick one. If you've been following me on Twitter, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, you'll notice I've been talking about Comma. I'm personally excited about Comma, and I run a charity program called Humane, and Humane was inspired by Comma, and Humane uses the Comma token, right? So, Comma rewards you. It's a dApp on iOS that rewards you for doing good, right? Yep. I'll drop a link in the description so you guys can check it out. And guess what, guys? Karma is live on the EOS blockchain. So the Karma app, right? So 12/12/2018. That's just perfect. And if you scroll down, you see. Okay, let's just go down. Okay, let's start from the top. As you can see, Jimmy, I think he made a post. Okay, this is a downvote. So the Karma app downvoted a post. The Karma app upvoted a post by Jimmy Neutron. Okay, it was upvoted and downvoted, right? Uh, this other guy, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. I've been following for this forever. Okay, I think this is it. Okay. I think this means create a comment, and this is a follow. Dallas Johnson, and the deactivate post. I don't know what that is. Post ID, create a post. So Jimmy Neutron, new shoes equals new mood, right? So this should be the pictures or whatever. Oh, but later on I'll do a video to let you guys see what the app looks like. All right, so these are the different activities on the dApp right now. This is an all bought by the Kama app. And Dallas Rush, this is the founder, all right? So 1214 store profile. Okay, I think he was fixing his profile. All right, the author is Jimmy Neutron, display name Dallas Russian. Okay, so the bio, co-founder at Kama. Okay, this is the co-founder of Kama, right? So Kama is live, and very soon the whole EOS community will have a link to the application, the app, so you can start using this awesome platform that will change the world forever. Right, so thanks for watching. That's what I have for you today. So I'll drop a link. If you have questions about Karma, you have questions about EOS, you have questions, any question you have, I'll drop a link in the description so you can join the Telegram group and ask as much questions as you want to. All right, so thanks for watching, guys.